Hello, Miss.
Hey, hello, Bruce.
Hello,
Miss.
Hello.
Hello, Miss. Miss,
Hi,
look. Hello, Miss.
Hello, Miss.
hi, everybody. Oh, nice, Bruce. Nice.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, hello, hello. Okay.
Look, Miss.
Hello.
Miss, I eat chocolate.
Okay. Well, guys. Well, welcome to Social Studies. Right now we are gonna,
Miss,
yeah.
look my drawing.
Oh, cool. Very good. Okay. We're gonna continue talking a little bit of climate or climate that we have been learning during the last week, that we were learning about weather, climate, and things like that. Well, today we are gonna continue with that. And we are gonna start the class with a video, okay, for all of you.
In all the class, we're going to study with a I know why.
Here we go. Let me know if you can see the screen.
Yes, I can see Miss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Beauty.
Okay.
Pay attention.
Smile and learn.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. After watching the video, okay.
Miss, sorry to send that in the chat.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you if I know you're going to put a link.
A link.
Miss, we have to copy the question.
You need to copy this. This is the topic, okay?
I didn't can see the topic.
You can see it.
What causes climate?
What causes climate?
But someone say in the chat that the topic are types of
In the video, the topic of the video were type of climate, okay? We are not gonna make a big deal about that, okay? Okay, thank you, Andrea. Here we go. You had the topic in the chat, guys. We already watched the video and I already asked you why are their climates different, okay? Now, why are their climates different? If you pay attention to the video, they were mentioning why.
because she are in a different atmosphere.
No.
The difference of climate? Of cold, hot, or hot.
More or less, but
Difference.
no. Okay, Camila. Do you know, Camila, why are their climates different? Climate difference? No? Yeah?
Because some are cold, another are tropical, and another are desert.
You are close. Okay, Andrea, do you know?
I think that it's because one of the climates are windy and other are very hot.
More or less, you are close. You are, Lauren?
Miss out. I think that she are tropical and polar, and both are in a different atmosphere.
We have the same atmosphere because remember that we live in an atmosphere in the whole planet. Okay, remember that in the whole planet we live in an atmosphere. But you have been very close. Okay, Lin May.
I think because it's different to weather, because weather it tells like it's rainy and all is cold or hot, and the climate is like tropical and all that. I think.
More or less. Okay. I'm gonna tell you why they say why are their climate different is because of their location and distance. Okay, get ready to write that. Okay, copy the one that is here in the square, in the rectangle. Say the climate, sorry, of places depends on its location. One of the factors is the distance a place is from the equator. Do you remember that we were learning about all that about the world? Imagine this is the world, okay? Remember that we were learning about the latitude and the longitude, right?
Yes.
Okay, well, this is the world. And so if we think a little bit about like, imagine here is like Canada and United States, here is Central America, then it comes, what is that? South America, and then we have Europe, and in here we have Africa. I'm sorry, it is not the best map, but I'm trying, okay? So we need to pay attention the weather that is in here, like in Canada, it's gonna be a polar climate. Okay, remember the climate is that they are for a very long distance of time. So the equator of the world is in here, here. Okay, so all the countries that they are close to the equator, they are gonna be very hot and tropical and a lot of precipitation. Okay, so remember that the equator is that imaginary line that circles the earth in halfway. Okay, so it is like I was doing in here. And they had the north. Remember that we had the north pole in here and the south in here. Do you remember that we learned that in the first partial? Yeah. I can see some faces like, what is talking about the means? And I can see Liam, Dana.
Miss, I think that we did the topic that are latitude and longitude.
Yeah, we did that. So the
And we
warmer,
do-
listen, the warmer climate are in places near the equator, and these areas are usually warm all year. So if I look for the map of, I don't know, maybe the map of Central America and in here, we are close to the equator, it's gonna be hot. You see, those countries that are close to the equator is gonna be warm and hot. Okay, so did you finish writing only that thing that is into the square, the rectangle?
Yes.
Okay, may I go to the next?
Yes.
Okay.
No. Yes.
Why not? There are only two lines. There are only two lines.
You have to only copy, Bruce, that is in the square. And that
Only
arrow
that is in the red rectangle.
Oh, no, I finished it. The red rectangle.
Yeah, I
Okay,
told
okay.
you, but nobody sometimes pay attention. Okay, in
finished.
the second part, it's only there are 1 line and a half. In the rectangle, if you look the arrow, it say copy only these, okay? The second factor, guys, that affect the climate is how far a place is from a large body of water, such as the ocean. Here Honduras, as you know, Honduras is surrounded by Atlantic Ocean, and the south part of the country is the Pacific Ocean in the Fonseca Gulf, okay? So if you pay attention, like here, Francisco Morazán, Tegucigalpa, it is not so hot, okay? The climate is not so hot. It is not affected because of the ocean in this case. But the places that are very close to the ocean, like San Pedro Sula, La Ceiba, those kind of places, and those kind of places that they are like San Lorenzo, that they are very close, Choluteca, they are very close to the ocean, they are gonna, the climate is affected by this, okay, because they are close. Every place that is close to the ocean, they are in a low level. But here in Tegucigalpa, we are in the high level, and we are surrounded by mountains. Well, in here it used to be very, very, very cold, but these places, they are near in the ocean, they usually had a warmer climate than places far away. If you compare the climate from Tegucigalpa and San Pedro Sula, most of the time in San Pedro Sula is gonna be
Very hot.
very hot, right? And the land heats and cools faster than water, okay? So in summer, water is cooler than land, okay? In winter, the land is colder and the water is warmer. So that is a process that happens if they are far away or they are close to the ocean, okay? Okay, well, I'm going to the next.
No. The rules is just that
Please,
rectangle.
don't say nothing.
We have to wait. You know that we only have to copy the things that are in the
Don't
square.
say it, don't say it, don't say it.
Okay, yeah, only that. Bruce, remember, only the things that are into the rectangle. Okay,
I am in
Gardo.
the final word of the score. I finish.
Okay. The third factor, start writing, Bruce, start writing. Only the one that is in the rectangle, okay? The third factor that affects climate is the elevation. It's what I was telling to you. elevation tells how high a place is above the sea level. Here in Tegucigalpa, I don't remember how above the sea level we are. Let me check right now.
Yes, we are 22C.
What?
In Colbert, 22C.
Okay, well, it says that Tegucigalpa, our capital, is located in a hilly terrain and by mountains, and our elevation is like 975 meters above the sea level. If we compare San Pedro Sula, San Pedro Sula is San Pedro Sula sea level is let me check in here. We are San Pedro Sula. It says that San Pedro Sula generation data for national limited resolution. It's supposed to be that will be. What is the elevation said? That is 96 meters. So Tegucigalpa, we are 975. In San Pedro Sula is only 96 meters. Okay, above the sea level. And it is like Tegucigalpa is higher, in San Pedro Sula is because it's very close to the ocean. Okay,
Miss,
yeah.
when you say elevation, I think that are the thing when we fly, we elevate.
Oh, no. No. So in the mountain climbing, are generally colder because the temperature is lower, the higher you go. So very high mountains can have a snow and ice throughout the year. Here in Honduras, there is a place in, I don't know if in Tibucá or in Esperanza, that there is, it's supposed to be that there is one mountain that sometimes it has a little bit of snow. Sometimes, not always, but it has. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, we finished. We're finished.
Three factors.
They are, okay, now tell me what are the three factors? The three factors.
Miss, I have it.
Raise
Okay,
your hand.
okay. I'm gonna ask to Bruce and then Loudon.
The first factor The one factor
I know, but it's very easy.
is I know.
Please, I know it.
But without looking at the notebook, okay?
Yes,
Ah,
Miss, you
don't
have
look
to
at the notebook. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't cheat.
What is that word? Don't cheat.
No hagan trampa. No hagan trampa. No
No,
vean
sí,
en el cuaderno
Okay.
sin hacer trampa.
A place that is in
Bye-bye.
long distance.
Ajá, location and distance. The second factor.
Is the
Mhm.
that the effect of climate
Miss,
for a
the
large
second part.
body.
Okay, Dana, I want to listen to Dana. I love when Dana participate.
The second factor is the effects of climate.
Effect of climate. The third factor. My boys, Darwin, Adrian.
the third factor
That effect is of climate elevation. Elevation how high
Places
Okay, before we go, I'm gonna check the attendance list. I have Abigail, Andrea, Camila, Dana, Elena, Lauren, Wilmy,
Present.
Vicky,
present.
Adrian, Daniel is there.
present.
Dariel is not in the class, right?
Present.
Darwin,
Present.
Diego,
Present.
José Andrés,
Present.
Joseph,
Present.
Sebastián,
Present.
y Bruce. Okay, people.
Present.
So you are dismissed. I'm gonna see you in reading. Okay. See you.
Bye.
Today you behave very well. Keep doing that in reading, okay?
Goodbye, Miss.
Bye.
Goodbye, Miss.